So thank you for checking out my YouTube video. And we're in Niagara Falls, New York. Normally I'm in Detroit, but I'm doing a little bit of a road trip. So I wanted to do this video just to show what it's like outside Niagara Falls, New York. We're gonna be going to Niagara Falls State Park over there. I'm gonna be doing multiple videos out here. There's a casino over there. So if you wanna see what it's like outside of Niagara Falls, the actual falls themselves in Niagara Falls, New York, we're gonna go on a little walk. You see those big buildings way off in the distance? I'll do that. See that tall one? That's Canada over there. Then you got the Wyndham Garden Hotel. I'm gonna try not to videotape people, but you see a pretty good crowd of people here. Hard to park. You got parking in the falls, in a state park, then you got parking here and parking behind me. But I had to wait through all of that right there. And then you got those taller buildings right there. I believe that's Canada. But I know the ones on the right are, we're just gonna cross. I don't know what's going on right now. But yeah, this is Niagara Falls, New York. And we're just gonna walk. We're gonna try not to video people. You're gonna see the Rainbow Bridge coming up. Excuse me. You're gonna see the Rainbow Bridge coming up. And that's how to go across from the United States where we're at to Canada. So you see the Rainbow Bridge. You'll see a little bit of that up here. But a lot of people out, and you got some food out here, restaurants. But yeah, you see the Niagara Center. A lot of this that I'm filming right now is the first time I'm seeing it. $40 for parking. I paid $30. You see in Niagara Falls State Park, it's $10 to park, but it gets full. So then you gotta leave, which is what these people are doing. You gotta find parking out here. So we're gonna walk, cross. Here you see Rainbow Bridge, that sign right there. I'm not gonna drive over there, but I hear you can walk over there. If I have some time, I'll walk over there. We're gonna cross the street. Get a yellow light. But yeah, all those people are leaving the park and some of them are coming off the Rainbow Bridge. We'll go walk over there in a second. I'll show you more. But yeah, you got a lot of people out here. You know, welcome Niagara Falls. You can get a whole bunch of information. You get a couple hotels out here like the Hyatt. And like the Hyatt right there, they were expensive. Like it was $400. I didn't stay there, but it was $400 last night because I checked. And then you see like the duty free over there. We'll walk across the street. See, it's hard to get parking. But see the duty free right there. Get some info on the bridge right there. We'll keep walking. Maybe do a 10-minute video. But you see, you get a whole bunch of stuff in here. Here, I'll walk. Kind of get away from the crowd a little bit just to see. Kind of take it all in. But yeah, you got parking right here. And you got the Niagara Center right there. You know, obviously they got souvenirs and all the things that you need. As far as like getting on Made of the Mist, which is the boat. The famous one to do. And then they got Cave of the Winds. They got a couple different attractions. You can buy the tickets there or somewhere else. We'll keep walking. Okay, I'll zoom out a little bit. But yeah, it's a beautiful day. About 80 degrees. See these cars over here on the left? They're leaving. Now they're coming into the United States from Canada. We'll keep walking. We're gonna eventually make a left into the park. But yeah, you got a lot of people out here. It's hard to park, but other than that, it's a good atmosphere. It's been a while since I've seen the falls. That's gonna be in a separate video. I'll have to remember to put a link in the description section, or you can just look on my page. We'll walk over here. You get a Hard Rock Cafe over here. You can rent bikes. You can pretty much do everything around here. from what I can see. And then over there, Rainbow Bridge, pedestrians to Canada. I'm gonna see if I can go to Canada. But I'm just looking forward to seeing the falls, and I wanted to show what the area looks like outside of Niagara Falls State Park, because this is where you're gonna wanna come in order to see the falls if you come from the New York side. But you get people selling ice cream, people selling little food things here, Papa John's. You got Hard Rock Cafe. We'll come over here. Tacos, shots, cocktails, a little bit of everything. So you're seeing it uncut, Niagara Falls. And you got things that you can buy down here. I'm not trying to videotape people, so I'll turn left right now. T-shirts, games, Hard Rock Cafe. You get a couple vendors out here. Got glasses. That's a nice cut. We'll come down here. But yeah, you can buy shirts and stuff like that, water. We'll come over here. More food, more of everything. So I'm gonna go in the park right now, do some more videos. Let me know what you think of Niagara Falls, New York. I'm gonna do multiple videos. I'm gonna head in the park right now. So yeah, it looks pretty cool. So let me know what you think in the comments below.